Yeah, BMRA is just hasta la vista, baby, right? Was there news on this BMRA? Yep, right
Yes.
here. All right, BMRA still running here. Watch for this dollar. Looking nice. Might be worth a little dabble, do you, right? Remember, a dollar whole number. Looks like 22 million volume on 16 million float, which tells me you guys could probably comfortably get between 3,000 and 5,000 shares, and you would be okay to get in and out, just to give you some kind of a number. You guys are looking at the average true range, meaning what your mental stops are going to be, because we're in a pre-market and there are no physical stops. It's going to be between 5 and 8 cents, 10 cents on the long side. So if you guys were going to get into any of this, make sure you're going to have your stops set accordingly. Mental stops, because remember, no stops in the pre-market. This looks good. I might get in with this. Oh, missed that run. I'll take it there. Tried to get in. Did you guys see that right when I was about to buy shares and then it took off? We'll let it work its magic here at $1. See what it wants to do. If it pulls back to the 9, I can add in a little bit more, but I want to see this have a nice little initial pop. Only bought 5,000 shares. We'll let that run. There goes a nice little pop. Look at that. Getting a nice little pop here on this BMRA. Staying above $1. That's what we want to see with it, but lots of volume coming in. Still staying up nice and tall, still respecting the 9. This could pull back to the 9 as it naturally likes to do. We'll see. Like I said, I only got 5,000 shares. Know your risk before you get into these trades. At 5,000 shares, I've got a lot of wiggle room. And if I like what it's doing, I'll add 5,000 more. It's 9:10. We got about 20 minutes to the bell. All right, BMRA back here on the 9. I think I'm going to add a little bit. What am I in at? $1.03. I might add in here. Did it buy it? Hold on. All right, 10,000 shares sitting here at $1.02. Only liked it because it's sitting on this 9. I want to see if this can have a nice pop. We still have good volume, 27 million volume, free float 16 million. Starting to pull back a little bit right here. Be careful. See if it can stay up above this 9. Massive run up, 176% today, though. This was beautiful. Right here is going to determine everything, right? Between this 9 and 21. BMRA is pulling back. Added a little bit more. Tried to add when it pulled back right here because it respected this area. So here we go. BMRA. See if we'll get a nice little pop. There it goes. Yep. Like it. There it goes. I'll take it. Did it sell it? There we go. Just made $851. Not bad for one trade in 4 minutes. I know it wasn't a massive move, but I put a little bit more weight in there, so it did not require me, right, obviously, to have that big of a move. If you guys look at it, my average price in that, I think it was like 98 cents. So from 98 cents to sold at $1.06, right? That was $850. Doesn't require a big move. I always say those 6-cent moves, right? That's how we got Jimmy up to his first $3 to $6 million is off of 6-cent moves, right? 6 cents. I can tell you right now that if this didn't start to make a move, I would have gotten rid of it within the next 2 to 3 minutes, right? I'm not even getting close to market open with it. The closer we get, the more dangerous it becomes, right? Eventually, people will want to exit before the market opens. So, but I just saw here, it had this beautiful run up. It was decent news. It was consolidating. It was respecting the 9. If you guys look at it, I saw it moving up on the 9. And then when it pulled back, this is where I tried to add in because it respected the 21. And then, of course, you guys all saw it live when we got the beautiful candle that I was looking for. It was really because it just stayed up. If this was a pop and drop quick, this would have drove way up. It would have came down. It'd have broke through here and it'd have been lights out and people would have been screaming and crying and I would have got out and just said, okay, I'll just take the L, but that wasn't the case. It stayed up. When the stocks stay up nice and tall like this is, then it's good. If the stock is staying up, that means buyers still want to get a hold of this thing, right? That's what you want to see.